Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out of XM app. Logging out of XM app is a small but important action that helps protect the account and personal data. Since XM is a financial trading platform, staying logged in, especially on a shared or public device, can expose you to risk like unauthorized access or accidental trades. Taking a few seconds to log out properly ensures your account remains secure and under your control. So first, start by unlocking your iPhone and tap on the XM app on your device, and make sure you are fully logged in so you can access your account setting. And once you get into this interface of your XM app, what you can do is you need to access to your profile icon here. Tap on the top right corner of your profile icon. Over here, what you can do is you can tap on the sign out on the bottom, which is logout. And after this, you'll be returned to the login screen, which means you've successfully logged out. And although logging out of XM app only takes a few taps, it plays a key role in keeping your trading account secure. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.